Hey everybody, so I picked up some items for my wife's garden from Home Depot. A couple different Home Depots. We're just going to condense it into one video. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so this is going to be a pretty quick video. These are some items I picked up for my wife's garden. I picked up a couple different watering cans. So the first can is a Perfect Pour Southern Patio can. On this one you can actually rotate this head. As well as you can flip the head and rotate it like this as well. And then it will lock back into this notch. This guy is a metal can. This is a 2-gallon. This one is a 1.75 gallon, and this one is also a 2-gallon. This one is just a cheap $4 one. This metal one was 24 bucks. And this one was $9. I figure it wouldn't hurt to have multiple watering cans. And a couple of these are specifically for like fertilizer, liquid fertilizer, and feed or plant food. And I also picked up a couple items for my wife. This 2-pack, this value pack from Home Depot for the lighters, the Scripto lighters. I had 2 of the green ones. I had one that was this length, and I had one that was actually a little bit longer. They finally died. Barbecue lighters, those are actually for me. And grabbed this little these bottles are leaking. One of them's leaking. This one is leaking. If I'd have known that they were going to leak, I wouldn't have left them in the bag. Thought they would have been sealed. Guess not. So these are both fertilizer, liquid plant food. These are 12-4-8, so it's got 12% nitrogen, 4% phosphate, and 8% soluble potash. Let's check this one. Okay. So I guess these are just messy. You'd think they would have put a seal on these, but that's the type of lid you can't. Alright. So grab 2 of these. Move this one out the way, this watering can. And I also grabbed a 1-gallon of this guy. This is called Liquinox Grow. It is a 10-10-5 mix. 10-10-5. This one is a 12-4-8. And this Spindle Adapter I bought for myself. It's a M10 by 1.25 to a 5/8 by 11 arbor, and that's how I saw that it was leaking. You can see the cardboard is completely soaked, even in the back. So it goes on a M10 by 1.25 grinder, and it converts it to a 5 and by 11 thread pitch. This part number is 48-03-1005. It's already ruined. might as well take it out. So it looks like. So it goes from the M10 by 1.25 thread pitch in the center to outside regular standard 5 and 11, 5/8 by 11 arbor. So I grab that. Just gonna throw this in the toolbox real quick. So these are the items that I picked up. This has like a brass thread. The lid's right here. Kind of like a copper and brass mix. This one's plastic and this one's plastic. This one's neat because this rotates, so it actually will swing with you when you have weight in it. But all in all, just wanted to show you guys what I picked up for my wife's garden. Not a bunch of spectacular, like amazing items, but they will help her with her gardening. And well, this isn't sealed either. Makes me wonder how much all of these have leaked when I was driving home. But do appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my wife's channel. I'll leave a card up here for her channel. And I'll probably link one of her videos, her gardening videos, up here as well. If you guys want to go check that out, I'd really appreciate it if you go check out her channel. And subscribe to her channel if you guys are interested in the gardening stuff. As well as please like, comment, and subscribe for my channel. Smoosh the bell notification for my channel as well as hers if you guys like her channel. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Down in the description below at the very top, I have a link for Ulsa Tools website. That link will give you it'll take you to Ulsa Tools website, give you 10% off of your purchase. And it will kick back me a 10% availability coupon on my next purchase at ulsatools.com. If you guys need, organizational tools or some hand tools, anything like that, use it, get some money off, save some money, and hope it helps. I appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!